Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A10 and I will show you how you can create folders on the home screen. I'm going to organize these three icons. So you have to click, hold and then drag application for another one, just like that. When you make it, the folder will be open. When you tap in this place, you can change name of that folder. Click done to confirm. When you tap on this dot, you can change color of your folder. Click X to go back. And when you tap on the plus, you can add additional apps very quickly. Tap down to confirm. And as you can see, here is our folder. When you tap outside, you are going to close it. And when you click and hold with your finger, you can move that folder like any other icon for the whole screen. If you want to remove that folder, you have to click, hold and then remove from the home. And after that, the apps will be appears right here in the draw menu, and you have to put them back to your home screen by making that simple moves. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.